I've been wanting to update my product pictures for a while for my website, and I may have fallen down the Pinterest rabbit hole. What's up, y'all? It's Shay Cherie. Today, I am going to be testing out an idea that I saw on Pinterest for product photography, namely for earrings. And oftentimes with earrings, like I'm normally just laying it down on whatever surface I'm working with and decorating around it and taking pictures that way. However, some earrings need to be hanging for you to be able to see them in their full glory. Or even if they are hanging, they should be unobstructed. Case in point, I have these earrings here that I did take a picture with, and the picture came out decent, but I did take the picture with them hanging from this stand. And as you can see, they're longer than the stand. The full stand is in the picture. It was decent, but I want to try something different. So today I'm going to be making a stand out of some wood, some shelving brackets, and some fishing line. If the fishing line doesn't work, I have some wire for backup. So let's see how this works. Let's make it. All right, so I've got a piece of wood here. I think this is from an old bookcase I used to have. It's about 1.5 by 2 feet, 1.5 inches by 2 feet long. I've got 2 shelving brackets here. These are 10 inches by 12 inches. I've got some screws and a nail. I've got a drill. I've got a hammer, and I've got some fishing line. So what I'm going to do is place the shelving brackets on my piece of wood and so I can mark where I want to put the screws. So I'm going to put them with the 12-inch side on the piece of wood since I have the space. Okay, and then I'm going to take the pencil and mark the holes so I know where to put the screws. We'll start the screws. Okay. So I'm going to, I don't have the proper drilling bit or drilling attachment, so I'm going to use a nail to start the holes, and then I'm going to screw them in. I've got my holes started, and now I'm going to screw in the shelving brackets. Okay, so we've got our shelving brackets secured onto the piece of wood. So the next step is going to be to tie fishing line between these 2 holes, and that is what our earrings will hang from. Okay, so you probably can't see the fishing line on camera, but it's there, I promise. So let's see if the earrings will hang from it. All right, we are onto something. Okay, so now I can style this and put like a white backdrop or whatever color backdrop behind it and catch a good shot unobstructed, no stand in between. I'm probably going to wait until the weekend where I have the day off and I can use the daylight to take the product photos and take some natural light, but I am going to stage this real quick so y'all can see, and I want to see. All right. Okay, so for now I have this piece of white poster board. We're just going to prop it up against the printer for the meantime and put our stand across. Okay, so then I will slide my earrings across. So here's a closer angle of what I would use to shoot this photo. And as you can see, I'll be able to get something unobstructed. I could probably block out the fishing line in Canva or whatever photo editing app. And there's nothing in between the earrings. Now you will see I do still have to figure out, I'll probably have to turn this piece of the earring around so that in the picture, the cowrie shell will face the front. But the jewelry stand is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm happy with that part. And then, you know, I could hang greenery or flowers or what have you behind it, or stage something else behind it, and go ahead and get my picture in. This DIY project was quick, easy, and inexpensive too. Each shelving bracket was under $2. I had some scrap wood, or you may have to run to the hardware store and get some. Fishing line is inexpensive. You can get a poster board from the dollar store. So all in all, didn't cost a lot to make, and it's going to be useful as I rebrand and update the photos for my earrings and photos in general for my website. But I'm definitely glad I tried this project out, and I hope you try it out too. Let me know if you do in the comments, and please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.